Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where we explore the beauty of drawing one pencil stroke at a time. Today, let's embark on a tranquil journey as we learn how to draw a fish with simple yet captivating techniques perfect for beginners. Begin by selecting a soft pencil and a clean sheet of paper. Visualize the graceful movements of the fish swimming in the serene waters as we bring them to life on the page. Start with the outline of the fish's body, using gentle flowing lines to capture its elegant shape. Pay attention to the proportions, ensuring the body is balanced and symmetrical. Next, add details such as the eyes, fins, and scales. Use short, curved lines to create the impression of scales along the body and add depth to the eyes with shading or highlights. Don't forget about the fins, they add movement and character to our fish. Experiment with different shapes and sizes, allowing your imagination to guide you. As you refine your drawing, remember to take your time and enjoy the process. Art is about expression and exploration, so don't be afraid to make mistakes or try new techniques. Finally, add any additional details or embellishments to personalize your fish. Perhaps it swims among coral reefs or glides through sun-dappled water. Let your creativity shine through. And there you have it, a beautiful fish pencil drawing ready to grace your artistic collection. Join me on artistic adventures where we celebrate the joy of creation and the beauty of self expression through the power of pencil and paper. But fear not, follow adventures for this tutorial is designed with beginners in mind. No prior experience is required, only a willingness to let your imagination take the lead. Through patience and practice, we will turn a blank canvas into a vibrant underwater world teeming with life. Thank you.